Hello kids, welcome back. Kids, let's learn colors name. Pink color, yellow color, orange color, brown color, violet color, purple color, blue color, light green color, sky blue color, and red color. This is green color, and this is black color. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, A to Z. Let's trace A. Now we are tracing letter B. This is letter C. Now we are tracing letter D. This is letter E. Now we are tracing letter F. This is letter G. G. Pink color. Now we are tracing letter H. This is letter I. J. Now we are tracing letter K. This is letter L. Now we are tracing letter M. This is letter N. N. Now kids, we are tracing letter O. This is letter P. Now we are tracing letter Q. Q. This is letter R. Now kids, we are tracing letter S. This is letter T. Now we are tracing letter U. Purple color. This is letter V. Now we are tracing letter W. This is letter X. Y and Z. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.